Mic check 1 2 1 2. I'm your host Brado KE, na leo nataka kufanya one amazing interview kwa sababu we all know tunaelekea msimu wa campaign. Mambo ni political, at least tujue vile vitu zinaenda hapa pale. So today I'm having an amazing guest, at least tutapata kumjua. Na pia bado tunaona kuna some commotions hapa na pale, at least tujue what's going on within the area. Atatupeleka na rada, au sio? So karibu.
Asante.
Brado.
I'm Roger Susundu.
This is mic check. Thank you kwa kunikubali at least nikuulize maswali 2-3. Okay, ningependa tu at least watu at least wajue ni nani, at least tupate a formal introduction.
Okay. Thank you very much once again, Bradley. My name is Roger Susundu. A young youth from Mukuru kwa Njenga, an aspiring MCA from Mukuru kwa Njenga in 2027. That's me.
An aspiring MCA. Wadau, mavijana mali mlipo, to make sure tuko kadi, wanakuwa Njenga wote, pia bado to make sure tuko kadi na to support our fellow aspirants. At least pia tupate his leadership skills, at least tujue. Hatuwezi sema uongozi yenye iko sahihi ni mbaya, but at least acha tu change, at least tujue vile vitu ziko. Ningependa at least tujue, tunaona kuna movement hapa na pale, na plus watu wengine pia wajui inaendelea hapa. Maybe at least tuelimisha, at least tujue nini napata kuendelea hapa.
Okay. Once again, I would like to inform my fellow Mukuru kwa Njenga residents who are watching this show that you can nini your camera the other side so that they can see also. The main reason, or rather the main objective for this event is, first of all, we've decided to unite together as Mlembe Nation so that we discuss one or two things based on our political path line and tupige siasa yetu kama wana Mlembe pia. You see, for you as an aspirant, or rather for me as an aspirant, before I get outside to seek for help, I must ensure that I've put my house into order. So I think this event will be joined by so many of us. Even I'm sure I'm not the only aspirant here. The other aspirant also will be attending this, or rather who have also attended this. And we shall be engaging one another in ensuring that sisi kama wana Mlembe tunajipanga namna gani when comes 2027 leadership, youth leadership.
Mapema ndio best.
Kweli.
Okay, so another thing, kwa ule mtu ambaye ajui mahali tulipo hapa, maybe unaweza ukapata kumfahamisha, maybe kama angependa kukuja ama angependa kujua zaidi kuhusu kikundi hiki cha wana Mlembe, maybe unaweza ukamfahamishaje?
Okay, actually this place is called Cigarette. If you want to join us, maybe let's say you are coming from Kobil or rather AA direction, it is around 400 meters from MGAS Limited Kenya company. And if you are coming from the mosque, downward mosque from Wycon, it's around 700 meters to Cigarette. And also if you want to arrive here safely without kupotea, you can contact us. There are so many ushers out there to welcome the guests. You'll be able to see them branded, wear t-shirt branded Mlembe Youth Nation.
Okay, so mmesikia wadau, ni hapa, location ni Sidarek. Kwa wale ambao wajui, maybe naweza nikasema it's the former Ghetto FM pale likuaga. kwa wale wangependa kufika mahali pale, ama kama kwa youngins ama ma teenagers, tunajuaga hii place inakuwaga ya karate na boxing most of the time, so tuweze kufika kwa wingi, at least tuweze kuinteract and many others to come. So Mr. Rogers, our aspirant of 2027 MCA
Mukuru kwa Njenga.
in Mukuru kwa Njenga, I will say thank you.
Thank you very much too.
Asante sana kwa kunikubali nikuhoji at least mambo mawili matatu. Mini my pleasure all the time, and at least before mkutano ishe nitakuwa nimelearn mawili matatu, na pia bado bado tutazungumza more. Sawa sawa.
Okay,
And
first of all, I'm extremely excited to see a young youth like you doing a podcast thing.
Yeah.
It is a motivation to me. And what I understand about youth, I always use one slogan, saidia youth afanye nini? Ainuke, si ndio? Saidia youth naye pia kusaidie na muinuke nyi wote, si ndio? All in all, our main objective here is to ensure that when I get this seat as an MCA for Mukuru kwa Njenga, is to ensure that I build Mukuru kwa Njenga to be a better place for all of us. I give the people of Mukuru kwa Njenga leadership that they deserve. I do not want to be elected so that I lead myself.
Okay.
I want to be elected so that we lead together, so that each and every person of Mukuru kwa Njenga can feel involved in my leadership.
Yeah. So wadau, mmesikia, hajatutupia bado manifesto, lakini mkisikiza hizo agenda zake at least mnaona ni mtu ambaye amejipanga vilivyo. So me I'm wishing you best of luck, Mr. Rogers Osundwa, as the campaigns are almost beginning. Anytime you need me, I'm there. So thank you. That's the end of my show. Keep it up, keep it locked, my people. Peace.